Because the sister of my friend, they called me, sabi, may cancer siya. May cancer sa thyroid stage 5, nag-metastasize na sa bones, tapos may sa lungs pa. Tapos yung left arm hindi na makagalaw. So, yung sister na pumunta, na COVID survivor, dahil uminom lang siya, nakainom lang siya ng, she took 1 bottle of Bertier. So, naayos siya. So, lahat ba, kung you don't understand Bisaya. So, mag-Tagalog ako. Okay, mag-Tagalog o mag-English. Okay, so, the sister who was my high school classmate, brought 4 bottles of Bertier. So, because she was a believer. Now, this sister, the patient is Lita. She is 67 years old, retired nurse. Diba? Mahirap yung medical world, mahirap. Sabi niya, sige, trial, 4 bottles. Pumunta siya June, 4 bottles lang. Tapos sabi ko, mag-megadose ka na dyan. Kasi the sister was on palliative care na. Ano palliative nga? You know what it means? Dying na. Morphine na lang ang binibigay. Walang other medicine. Pain reliever and meron ibang morphine. So she was dying. Sabi ko, banat na din tayo, dying na. O what if? 18 capsules a day, go! Oh, 4 bottles of. After finishing consuming the 2 bottles, yung kamay gumalaw. Diba? Sabi, mag-order pa sila. Kumpi-kumpi ko, mamasahe ko. Ganun. At okay lang, basta break-even, kahit konting
Profit.
kita, kahit walang kita, basta kahit konting lugi lang, okay na. At least, my point there is that I will be able to help save life. Yes. Yan talaga. Tapos, siyempre, I had to get my visa. I had to prepare the bottles. So, yung pag-visa, kumuha ko ng visa, it did not take 10 days. I applied on a Friday. On the Monday, biometrics agad. I did it online. Hindi ako pumunta sa agency. I did it online. Binigyan ako. Tapos, lumabas na ang visa. Then, ngayon ang ticket. Sa ibang airlines, 100 plus ang ticket. You know, the Lord really guided me. Actually, it was a walk of faith. A walk with the Lord. Kaya parang my faith strengthened and my character. And so, when I searched for the ticket, may isang ticket. 38,000! Cathay Pacific! Diba? Kinuha ko yun. Tapos ang asawa ko, paano mo nakuha? Na-search niya, hindi makuha agad. So I believe that God will still part the Red Sea. Yes. So, ako tapos nandun na. Yung isang anak ko, ayaw talaga. I have 2 children. Ang isa, one is working with the bank. And the bank, sa bank pa lang, yung multi-level marketing, red flag. Hindi pwede, di ba? Hindi pwede yung parang akong scammer. Sabi niya, why will you go to UK? You are not God. Sabi ko, feeling ko, iba naman. But I have the conviction that I have to deliver the product. I am carrying hope. So, doon na. Sa isa, supportive naman. Ilang kilos ba talaga pwede madala sa UK? Hindi ba yun ang problema? Hindi ba i-confiscate ito? So that's another worry. So kinuha ko mga boxes para i-weigh. Ang iba, nilagay ko na ang consumption ko, nilagay ko na sa plastics para menos ba, discarded na. Tapos meron akong medical certification from a doctor who is also with Leeway. Lahat na health skills code. Tapos FDA approval. ready to go. Tapos sabi isang anak ko, kung sisitahin ka, tama ba sa Tagalog? Kung sisitahin ka sa airport, wag ka na pumalag. Uy naman, wag pumalag. Yung third year ko mahal. Tapos, nandun na sa stopover. In fast ba, meron kami stopover sa Hong Kong. So, nandun na kami sa loob ng plane, sabi nag-announce na. Our flight is delayed due to mechanical problem. Unto thy hands I commit my soul. Wala na, Lord. Ikaw na lang bahala. Tapos, meron nag-back out. Kasi syempre, mechanical problem. May nag-back out na. Announce pa talaga yung back out. So, the plane was delayed. I was supposed to arrive in London at 9 o'clock in the evening. Because the plane was delayed, I arrived there at 12 midnight. Midnight na. So, dumaan na ng lahat-lahat. Dumaan ako sa customs. Sarado ang customs. That is very good. I know the Lord was with me. That's really a walk of faith. I really treasure that experience. Against all odds, I just listened to what the Lord was telling to me. I had to do it. It's between life and death. I have, because if he will die, I have the hope. Siyempre, makonsensya ako all of my life. Diba? So, nandun na ako sa London, okay na. Tapos, nag-improve naman ang condition niya. Yung patient, si Litang, ngayon, nagka-discharge niya, hindi siya dumaan ng kalbo o depression. Sa Facebook niya, meron pa siyang nag-a-attend ng party. Kilala niya na nag-a-attend ng parties, tapos lahat din may napatsa na. Okay, so the lesson there I see is that I had to change my heart. I had a heart operation. Change of my heart. From being so self-contained, I have to reach out to others who are dying, who need help. Meron tayo, we all have good testimonies. Then we just have to share. Share lang talaga. If they will not listen, so that is not our fault. We are not accountable to that. Our part is to share. And then, syempre, kahapon, that's my number one reason that I tendered my resignation, because I want to be full time, so that I can help others be to bring good health to others, and not also bring good health, to also bring good wealth. So good health and good wealth, not only to ourselves, but also to others who are struggling. So if we're not struggling talaga, we cannot afford to get one. But then we have stories from rags to riches. Sample na si Faye. Sample na si Lindy Lou. Lahat tayo rags to riches. Hindi naman lahat ha. Marami tayo rags to riches. Ako hindi pa riches. Tayo na lang. So, that's one reason. And the second, ba't ba ako mag-positioning? I have to position myself because I will go back to UK, siyempre, to build my team. Now, if they will ask me, how much is your income? Sabi, ito lang, 100 a month. Ganun. Ay, hindi yan. I'd rather work here. Mas malaki pa. So I have to prove that I can. The Pavo is a good okay, pabo lang yan. Okay, pabo lang yan. Tapos, syempre, I will also be a good example. Running will build credibility. Positioning will build credibility. So others will follow. Na how will? Ba't naman sila mag-run ng 1 star, 2 star, tayo naman 1 star lang, o hindi pa naka 1 star. So we lead through example. And another thing is that I want to have a passive income. When I was in the insurance, wala yung passive income. Every year you have to work kung wala kang production in what year, wala na. Goodbye. Oh, wala nang passive income dyan. So, last April, I went back to my ortho dahil meron akong last month to use my HMO. So, sabi ko, Doc, pwede ako magpa-MRI just to check. Sabi niya, oh, sige, MRI, 20,000 yan ha, because up and down. So, MRI, sabi, compare niya yung 2010, 2017 na MRI, and the present, yung 2024, sabi pa niya, study niya. Sabi pa niya sa akin, uy, yung condition mo, buti naman, ang condition mo sa neck, gaya ni Gloria Arroyo. So, pwede na rin ako sabi niya, si Gloria Arroyo, 3 times na opera. Oh, may pera na, dapat dahil ang dalawa kamali.
Kamali.
Yung dalawa. Oh, ako pa kaya, sabi niya, ikaw, nakaiwas ka ng operation. Oh, di ba? I thank God for birth year. Nakaiwas ako ng operation. But my degeneration is still there. Kasi degenerative disease. So what I have to do now is to counter that degeneration. I have to take a lot of birth year. I started taking 6, but I have to make it higher. Now, how can I sustain that if I do not have passive income? Na hindi naman ako pwede mag-depend sa mga anak ko. Mag-asawa ko, o mag-asawa sila, or, di ba, umiiba ng story. Umiiba ang story dyan. Kahit nakalimutan na, di ba? Yan talaga ang reality ng mga Pilipino. Hindi lang ng tao ba, kinakalimutan na ang parents. Ayaw ko din maging beggar. Do you know the golden rule? Honesty is the best policy. He who has the gold rules. O ano ba yung gold? That's equivalent to money. Oh, if you have money, you have the choice, you have the command. You are not a beggar. So I want to have the passive income talaga. Now to have the passive income, we have to build our team. Hindi naman yan pwede na, ay, nagpagod na ako. Iwanan ko na yung team ko. How can I have a passive income? We have to build them. Because my mission is to help others have good health and good health. Good wealth. Good health, say, good health, good wealth.
Good health.
Good wealth.
So that all of us must have good health.
Good health.
And good wealth.
Good wealth.
So that we will not be a beggar. Hindi na maging beggar. Lalo na kung matanda. Parang madali lang magsentimiento. Wala na. Depressed na si Lola. So, we must, while we are
Depressed na si Lola.
we will build our teams. Yan na
Lalabas
talaga.
siya. Correct.
In my paboran, the first month was okay. Okay, hindi na. Kasi sabi ni Belgium, November ka nag-inom, ay, kailan ka mag-run ng pabo? O sige, mag-run ako ng pabo. Tapos, ang tango, sabi niya, mag-run ka pala ng pabo. Sabi ko, ka ba talaga? Mag-run ako ng pabo. Nakatapos sa, okay na ba ang second month ko? Yung talaga, that was a big question mark. Because on my first run, in Hapsay, di ba? I did not bother anybody. It was good. But then on the second month, because one account, yung sister ko, bumili siya ng OneStar account. Sabi niya, just get it from my investment. So I used my credit card. So, na hindi ko pa makuha ng investment dahil nag-live. Tapos nagka-problema ako. So, wala na yung mga credit card ko wala. My comfort zones were closed. Yung credit cards ko wala. So, for me, ay ba? Buti na lang. Salamat sa Team Benjo. Pinahiram niyo ako ng abono. I thought it was a solo run. It is a team run. Thank you very much. Salamat kay And kay Faye, thank you very much for helping me. Kung wala kayo, wala talaga. Now, I'm on my third fight. Fight talaga. It is a fight. Hindi to pwede yung walk in the park, bababa lang. Ay, okay. If will ng Diyos, it will happen. No, it's not. You have to fight. You have to decide. So I have decided. When did you decide to work hard? It's your decision. No, I want to decide. I am deciding. I have decided to let go of that insurance because I want to focus. Before, I had this sideline. Komportable lang, di ba? Meron ba, happy life, parang, ay okay lang, may pay, ganyan. But I want to focus because I want to build. I want to have my passive income. I thank God also for Ate Beth. Kasi sabi niya, noon pa sabi niya, ikaw, run ka na ng pabo. Maraming beses siya rin sabi sa akin, run ka na ng pabo. Tapos ito sabi niya, ikaw, kahit kay pulo. Matigas daw talaga pulo ko. Sabi ko sa, sige. No. Siyempre, I already had these two experiences last year. So that's my turning point. I will run for Pablo. And, talaga niya, natin ako nga ng Pablo. Kasi, mahirap naman, I made my Codigo because I don't want to disappoint you, Faith. No, it's okay. Okay. Woo! Okay, I said everything. So, what's next? Oh, this is it. I want to seal the deal. This is my quest to follow the storm, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far you reach the unreachable.